Welcome to Biosphere with Manas. In continuation with the lecture series on Animal Kingdom, today we are going to discuss about apes and then mammals. So what are the characteristics of apes or birds? They have feathers. Because of the presence of feathers, they are able to fly. The exceptions are ostrich, kiwi and penguin. They can't fly. They can't fly. These are first warm-blooded animals, that means these are homeotherms. The apes are first warm-blooded animals, homeotherms. That means they are able to maintain homeostasis. That means the internal temperature inside the body. So the apes maintain homeostasis by sweating, shivering and by metabolic activities. Homeostasis is maintained by sweating, shivering and metabolic activities. The endoskeletons of apes, they are pneumatic, that means they have long bones filled with air cavities which enable them to fly. These are fully ossified bony. So endoskeleton, pneumatic, long bones with air cavities, fully ossified, that means bony. The respiration takes place by lungs only. It is started from reptilia. Heart is four-chambered. The digestive tract of birds, they have additional chambers. The digestive tract of birds, they have additional chambers, crop and gizzard. Additional chambers of apes, crop and gizzard. The skin is dry without glands. The apes have a skin without glands. The exception here is the oil glands which are present at the base of tail. The apes possess beak, forelimbs which are modified into wings which enable them to fly. So the apes possess beak and forelimbs which are modified into wings. And they have hind limbs which are scaly, so the full of scales. So the scaly hind limbs, these are modified for walking, swimming and clasping branches or trees. So scaly hind limbs, these are modified for walking, swimming, clasping branch or trees. As far as sexes and reproduction is concerned, they are same as that of reptiles. These are dioecious, exhibit sexual reproduction, fertilization is internal, and these are the oviparous, showing direct development. Since reptiles we have dioecious, sexual reproduction, fertilization internal, these are oviparous with direct development. What are the examples? Corvus crow, columba pigeon, corvus crow, columba pigeon, Psittacula parrot, pavo peacock, Psittacula parrot, pavo peacock, Aptenodytes penguin, nephron vulture, Aptenodytes penguin and nephron vulture. So what are the examples? Corvus crow, columba pigeon, Psittacula parrot, pavo peacock, Aptenodytes penguin, nephron vulture, and this is Psittacula parrot. Now let us turn our gaze to our class Mammalia. So what are the characteristics? These produce milk producing glands or mammary glands, and they possess hair too. Milk producing glands known as mammary glands and hair are possessed by mammals. So these are homeotherms. Since apes, we have the homeotherms. The brain contains corpus callosum. So this is an additional characteristic of mammals. The brain contains corpus callosum which connects two halves of cerebellum. The corpus callosum connects two halves of cerebellum. The mammals have cervical vertebrae which are 7 in number. Cervical vertebrae 7 in number, C1 to C7, C1 to C7. The mammals have muscular diaphragm also. The mammals have muscular diaphragm also. They are found everywhere. They are found in polar ice caps, deserts, mountains, forests, grassland, etc. So they are found in polar ice caps, deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands, etc. They have two pairs of limbs. The mammals have two pairs of limbs, and these limbs are adapted for walking, swimming, climbing. Walking, swimming and climbing. And in the case of bats, the two pair of limbs, they are adapted for flying too. In case of bats. What is the unique feature of mammals? They possess hair, mammary glands, and they have external ears. Till now, tympanum was used till snakes or reptiles. Internal ears or pinna present. So the mammals' unique feature, they possess hair, mammary glands, and they have also external ears, pinna. Different types of teeth are present in the jaw of the mammals. The heart is four-chambered. There is passed through lungs. The sexes are dioecious and the reproduction is sexual with fertilization internal. They are mostly they are viviparous. The only example is platypus, which is known as ornithorhynchus. So heart, four-chambered, respiration takes place through lungs, sexes dioecious, reproduction sexual, fertilization internal. These are mostly viviparous. The exception is platypus or which is oviparous, platypus or ornithorhynchus. Their development is direct. Now let us dwell upon the examples. There is only one oviparous example of oviparous, ornithorhynchus or platypus. Oviparous, ornithorhynchus or platypus. Rest are viviparous. So, example of viviparous, macropus kangaroo, pteropus flying fox. We have two pus here, macropus and pteropus. Macropus kangaroo, pteropus flying fox. Then we have the camelus, camel, macaca monkey. Camelus, camel, macaca, monkey. After that we have ratus, rat, canis, dog, felis, cat. Ratus, rat, canis, dog, felis, cat. Then we have elephant and horse. Elephas, elephant equals horse. Elephas, elephant equals horse. Common dolphin is known as Dolphinus. A Balænoptera is known as blue whale. Dolphinus, common dolphin, Balænoptera, blue whale. Then we have Panthera tigris tiger and Panthera leo lion. So we have examples of mammals. We have only one, oviparous, ornithorhynchus or platypus. Then we have viviparous, macropus, kangaroo, pteropus, flying fox, tupus, macropus, kangaroo, pteropus, flying fox, camelus, camel, macaca, monkey, ratus, rat, canis, dog, felis, cat. Ratus, rat, canis, dog, felis, cat. Elephas, elephant equals horse. Elephas, elephant equals horse. Dolphinus, common dolphin, Balænoptera, blue whale. Dolphinus, common dolphin, Balænoptera, blue whale. Panthera tigris tiger, Panthera leo lion. Panthera tigris tiger and Panthera leo lion. So that's it for today. We will continue this lecture series in the next lecture. So good night, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do it now and do like my videos. Thank you. Good night.